till you're comfortable in your impression. For me, pain's just too much to mention, so I barely slip on by. Your plans in life in contradiction. The more you get here, the less you're missing. So why do I slip on by? Tell me it's alright. Maybe you just might cherish my love. We're together. Come on, keep it together. Them storms are raging, some running high. So while you falling, enjoy the rising time. Said you can blame your pride. It's pouring inside, so let's play in the rain. So heaven outside, you can't deal with the pain. Tell me it's alright. Maybe you just might treasure my love. Keep it together. This world could use a little more love. So never give up, baby, just because you and I rise above it all. So when the weatherman decides to go, just turn to weather and cry out for more. Yeah, come on. Said let them raindrops fall. Tell me it's alright. Maybe you just might cherish my love. Keep it together. You come on, keep it together. Why don't we keep it together? Why don't we keep it together?
E ko ʻŌiwiTV, mahalo nui ka launa ana mai no kēia pūkana hou aku o Mele Ma Ka Lihiwai. Ia mako ko ʻŌiwiTV ma ka lihiwai nei no Kaʻelepulu. I nā he ono kou i nā mele hakuhia o ko anaka Hawaiʻi, e maʻana maoli ana no i nā mele a kēia mau kāne, no hoa kipa o kēia la o Peʻa and the 4fathers. Aloha nui kako!
Aloha!
Okay, ma mua o ka hoʻomau ana noi ana wau ia ʻoe Kiliona. E hoʻolauna ia ʻoe iho a mena hoa ke ʻoluʻolu.
I kino, o wau no o Kiliona, no o La'a. Keia ma ka pila nui, koʻu kaikaina, ma ke koko o Kalei Young.
Aloha.
Aloha. Ia. Ma ka pahu pahu o Peʻa.
Aloha.
Yeah. On the percussions, no Molokaʻi o Lopaka Colón. Electric guitar, Corpuz.
Aloha.
No haki pu'u no o Kawaioli hou.
Ai, mahalo nui, aloha nui kako. Ike wau he kole ana ko a ka ma mua ke la hai Kiliona. Noi ho wau ana ia ʻoe, e ano vehe vehe no ke iahui pehea i hoʻokumu iai i nā hea i hoʻomaka i ki hoʻokani like ana.
Mako no Peʻa and the 4fathers, yeah. Ko koke loa, ka makaiki umi o ko, yeah, ko kako hui pu ana. No leila, yeah. We met first in Aotearoa and been going ever since. And yeah, haoli ke ho ea hou ana.
Oia hoi, oia ka ue no ana. Ano kama aina no hoi ke ia mau maka ole he mau maka malihini no hoi ke ia polo kalamu o Mele Ma Ka Lihiwai. No leila mahalo nui. Thank you guys for joining us again. I'm sure there's a lot of people and a lot of ʻiwiTVs ohana that are stoked that you guys are doing another episode of us. So mahalo nui for that. You know, I want to back up to the first mele if we can, Roman, and just mo'olelo mai, give us a little bit of background on that first mele.
So, Keep It Together, about I wrote that song. Kind of just talking about whether it's relationship or within ourselves or the band or anything that we doing, just keep it together. Keep it together, kako.
Oi hoi, mahalo nui ke ala manao. E mele ho mai o kou i ke kahi mele, ke olu olu?
O living and giving ke ia. Simple thinking, pressure, fulfill your pleasure, reaction, resolve, below in above, giving is how. When you're born, grinding, it's all about your timing. You can never change it well, but you can always make it more fair. Yeah, living, giving, it's how. Try, lady. Still you pass me by. Where I was at your intention to blame me for a fool. Where I give me your attention. Now become your rule. Yeah, living, giving all it's yours. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Whoop, 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 whoop.
He aha ia mea o ka hoʻokele waʻa, ano kia hai ko e koʻe ia hana no ka hoʻoulu ana I nā ala kai o ka hana o na hou. E nāna mai noi ana Peʻa o Hokulea ma ʻŌiwiTV a ma ke kanela ki ka hoe helu kolu lua ono.
Inspired by the natural beauty of our Aina, providing over 100 species of native and Polynesian introduced plants, specializing in culturally and ecologically designed landscapes, Hui Ku Mauliola, transforming land back to Aina since 1999.
Ua hia mauli no ka ikena ke nana aku, he ʻōlelo ola ko Hawaiʻi. Ia ke hoʻolaha aku nei ka hoʻi hou ana mai o ahai ʻōlelo ola, ka polokalamu kiwi e kuka ia I nā kumuhana koʻikoʻi o ke kaiaulu, ma kaka ko ʻōlelo e aloha nui ia. E nana mai no ma ʻiwiTV a ma ke kanela ki ko hoe helu kolu lua ono. Aloha. Mahalo ka hoʻi hou ana mai no ke ia pukana o Mele Ma Ka Lihiwai me na hoa kipa o ke ia la o poa and the 4fathers. Aloha hou mai kākou.
Aloha.
Kiliona ma mua o ka hoʻomaka ana ano walaʻau ana ka ua maka au no ke ia mele a o ko e mele ana I ke ia manawa. Manawa he kupono ke ano moʻolelo hou ia aku ke la.
Thank you. So this one is about my family, big inspirations. Yeah, like all the brothers on stage. We was really kolohe when we was younger, and yeah, when I got married, had my babies, everyone was like another light on the path. Yeah, like better come this way, you know, gotta straighten up. So yeah, they brought me a long way. Mahalo to the ohana. Yeah.
Mahalo. E mele mai o ko I ke la mele ke olu olu.
responsibility and faith in the master plan. Give your trust and you give it right back, man. With ability to see and to understand how a mother could just walk away, or how a father could be here but never seem to stay, or how a baby could be born to us, watch us fight and cuss, but in the end truly know that she's loved by us. It's like somebody went and turned on the lights, divine restoration of my spiritual sight. Never dropped no wisdom on me like that day. King Solomon come over me, fill me with light, Yahweh. Change the fire into energy, and so now the summer, moon, and spring belongs to me. Strength, wisdom, and peace bring unity. They grow on my family tree. Light on my life. You're the light on my life, and she's the light on my life. So please shine on my life. Light on my life. You're the light on my life, and he's the light on my life. Light on my life. Light on my life. You're the light on my life, and she's the light on my life. Light on my life, light on my life. He's the light on my life, another light on my life, light on my life.
Ena hoa e mai mako ko ʻŌiwiTV Ma Ka Lihiwai nei o Kaʻelepulu no ke kahi pukana hou aku o Mele Ma Ka Lihiwai ka polokalamu mele e ike ia ma ʻŌiwiTV vale no. No leila e nana mai na kaua pau a me na pukana pau ma ʻŌiwi Kiko TV a me ke kanala kiko ho e helu kolulua ono e ia nae no ka manawa he mau mele hou aku me po and the 4fathers.
So blind, I can't even see what seems so clear to you. Damn right, confusing me. I can only breathe from where I stand. You got to understand, I'm a plain and simple man. I know what I want, babe. I see what I need. And what you got to be talk to me. I'm telling you, baby. Yeah, I'm telling you, child. Yeah, I'm telling you, lady. Keep on telling, you just ain't got the time. Well, I'm gonna make you mine. I'm gonna make you mine. Sorry don't count. Sit down, don't you love? Don't know what you want. Full time on love. I'm a lover, man. I'm your love, baby. I'm a lover, man. Yeah. I'm your love, honey. I'm a love of mine, yeah. I'm your love, sugar. I'm a love of mine, yeah. I thought you knew. So there's no confusion, just let me say, I wanna love you. You never real well, the things that you do, just take me there. Whatever you need, I'm well prepared. I'm to you, I tell you, baby, yeah.
He mawala ka'i, kia'i, a po'elowea ko ke la me kia lahui a puni ka honua. Keu aku ma Hawaiʻi. Ana ke ia po'e mākau Hawaiʻi e ho'ola, a ho'opa'a hou I ke kahua o ka ike I ke iau.
Awiho ana ke.
No ka pono o nā hanauna e hiki mai ana. E nāna aku ia nāloea The Masters, he pukaʻina hou ma ʻŌiwiTV ke kanela ki ko ho'e kolu lua ono.
Ua poho na peʻa a ke holo a kula nā wa'a a puni ko honua. E pai aku ana I na aina like ole, e launa aku ai me nā kanaka like ole. No ka imi o kahi ana aku, I ala e malama like ai kākou I kia honua e aloha nui ia.
I also love the way they take us, those people from Hawaii.
E kau pū mai ma ke I o holo kupaia naha ana aku no, ma hoku lea ki ko se o mu.
Aloha. Ka kali ana mākou I kipa I ke kahi me ka mo'olelo kūpaia naha. Ma ke ho'olohe, e kipa mai a mo'olelo mai ma ʻŌiwiTV, ke ia po'alima.
Let the ball roll, let it. Let your hands grow, let the whole world get it. If you don't try, then you can't cry, try. Then you'll earn the right to say, let the ball roll, let the ball roll, let it.
Let the ball roll.
Let your hands grow, grab the whole world, get it.
Grab the whole world.
If you don't try, then you can't cry, try. Then you'll earn the right to say you learn. So don't burn like the fire instead. You gotta make your move, cause you got a strong head. Telling you, on your shoulders, you can move boulders if you have the faith. So don't wait, cause you end up being late to that bait. It's right there to walk, leave the days you fought. Telling you, and hold Molly, she's all you really got. So I pray for the day that a mama would come and say, hey, let's just let the ball roll. Let your hands grow, grab the whole world, get it. If you don't try, then you can't cry, try. Then you'll earn the right to say, ooh, let the ball roll, let the ball roll, let it.
Let the ball roll.
Let your hands grow, grab the whole world, get it.
Grab the whole world.
If you don't try, then you can't cry, try. Then you'll earn the right to say. The page turns, a star flickers in the dark as I park my eyes on this prize and realize that magic is flowing through her eyes. And when she looks at me, X shivers down my weary spine. I want more hope to score out in the more beauty, attract, golden heart, perfect match. I want to score, but the door's shut and last, brother, she's with another. So just let the ball roll. Let your hands grow, grab the whole world, get it. If you don't try, then you can't cry, try. Then you earn the right to say, let the ball roll, let the ball roll, let the ball roll. Let your hands grow, grab the whole world, get it. Grab the whole world. If you don't try, then you can't cry, try. Then you earn the right to say. Then you earn the right to say. Then you earn the right to say you learn.
Ma mua ke kahua, ma hope ke kūkulu. Pono he kahua pa'a ma mua o ke kū mai o ka hale. O ko huli lau kahua pa'a, o ka punana leo noia.
Aloha manawalo I ka me'ilio ma ko alila.
O ka punana leo, he kahua pa'a noia no ko Hawaiʻi mawala ka'i o keia mua aku. E kai no aku no ma aha punana leo kiko.org. Inspired by the natural beauty of our aina, providing over 100 species of native and Polynesian introduced plants, specializing in culturally and ecologically designed landscapes. Hui ku Mauliola, transforming land back to aina since 1999.
Aloha nui o wau no o Aaron Sala.
Aloha o wau o Snowbird Bento.
O wau o Sean Kekoa Pimentel.
I am Lehua Kalima and I watch ʻŌiwiTV.
Nana wau ya ʻŌiwiTV.
Nana maua ya ʻŌiwiTV.
And we're Nahoa. And you're watching
TV.
To your morning glow, when it can get better, yes I'm sure I know little of the beauty in you, and to come to conclusion without a passing mood. To some, just seem silly, sure resulting doom. It's a fella to stop. They ain't got nothing on you. It's a fella. Don't go, don't go, Isabella. Just stop. They ain't got nothing on you, Isabella. Don't go.
Her hands and their loving touch, they bless my garden in the midday sun. My life never meant so much until she stood there by my side under the light of a cloudy sky. The joining of us two, my dreams, my reality, my life, my youth. Isabella, the stars, they ain't got nothing on you. Isabella, I'm yours. Don't go, don't go, Isabella. Just stop. They ain't got nothing on you, Isabella. I'm yours. Don't go, don't go.
as the sun climbs down your mountain, your true colors hit the sky. They tell me everything I said about you, and I need never ask you why. You never let me fall. Your cool wind, it blows up the mountain, 'cause love conquers all. And that's why I give my love to my Isabella, the stars.
They ain't got nothing on you, Isabella. I'm yours. Don't go, Isabella. Just stop. They ain't got nothing on you, Isabella. I'm yours. Don't go.
E nā hoa o ka pau ana keia pukana o Mele Ma Ka Lihiwai me po and the 4fathers. Mahalo ho ia o ko e nā kāne. Ina na e ake ana I maumele hou na keia mau kāne. E imi aku no I ko lako kipa mua ana mai ma ke kau e lua o Mele Ma Ka Lihiwai. A e nana mai no I na pukana pau Mele Ma Ka Lihiwai ma ʻiwiTV a me ke kanala kiko ho'e. Helu kolu lua ono. Aloha. I mele ho ke olu olu.
Why would you tell me that only to leave me here? You couldn't see from here what you feeling there. Say till the time came in, I ain't got no time to spare. I could use the friend as my reason. I'm just sick of that. He said, she said, bullshit. Yeah, I'm sick of that. I don't know you well enough. Yeah, I'm sick of that. He said, she said, bullshit. Yeah, I'm sick of that. Missed opportunity, love. My wish is to see your jaw, but if your jaw's with that ball, you sure don't need me no more. With your flirting, 'cause I got some good things to do. I wish I could be with you. My #1 golden rule said, I'm just sick of that. He said, she said, bullshit. Yeah, I'm sick of that. I just don't know you well enough. Yeah, I'm sick of that. He said, she said, bullshit. Yeah, I'm sick of that. Missed opportunity, love. You might say the doctor all strong, even claim that I am wrong. Just tell me where you belong while you judging. You better tell me what's wrong for right. Wanna show me what's there for right. I'm ready to fight for your love. I'm just sick of that. He said, she said, bullshit. Yeah, I'm sick of that. I don't know you well enough. Yeah, I'm sick of that. He said, she said, bullshit. Yeah, I'm sick of that. Missed opportunity, love. Yeah, I'm sick of that. Missed opportunity, love. Yeah, I'm sick of that. Missed opportunity.
Fade that one out.